Good morning. So this technology has been designed to fill the normal human capsule after the cataract extraction and to reconstruct, let's say, the capsule. Many issues has been discussed today before, and I think the most important ones that this technology may address is the future of IOL exchange, which we need today, precise IOL alignment, centration, and effective lens position, which is very critical for the premium IOLs. Posterior capsule opacification, which is up to 40% sometimes, depending on the studies. Capsular fibrosis, phimosis, and loss of IOL centration and tilt is another point. In pediatric ophthalmology, it's much more important the IOL exchange and the PCO, the peripheral glare and night dysphotopsia, and also, at the end, the vitreous stabilization and the increase of PVD after the cataract surgery. In the middle, you see here a simulation how this ring fits to any capsule size. So this is a unique design, and this is adapted to any capsule size. The ring looks like that here, and in the middle, we have an open area which any IOL can be adapted. After the surgery, you can see here how nice the IOL is placed and centered. You see the peripheral part of the ring here, and the capsule is stressed behind, very far from the IOL. Also, around here, you see how this ring actually refill the missing space from the normal lens when the lens has been removed. So, the goal here is the prevention of the capsular back prolapse, retain of capsular back form and volume, partial prevention of forward movement of the vitreous, circumferential barrier against cell migration and PCO, is a universal design, can be used with almost all IOLs, secure and easy IOL exchange, and blocking the wide angle rays, which means the negative dysphotopsia of the periphery. So here, I demonstrate how far we are with this technology. We finished already the first study, and we are going to apply this the next month for the CE mark approval. And this is on the Alexandria University. We have here 120 cases for follow-up up to 35 months. What is impressive here, that you can see here that we have absolute no PCO. We have zero PCO comparing with another group on the same center with the same surgeon. The refraction is quite stable, so we don't have any refractive surprise, and we have a high stability on the refraction. Another study is initiated in Japan by Dr. Noguchi. Here we try to use several types of IOLs, and here I can demonstrate you how many different IOLs can be used to put in the ring having the goals. Here is the longest follow-up we had in this technology from Professor Buchert, which is a 31-month follow-up with an absolute clear capsule. Here you see how easy it is to insert the ring in the cartridge. It's very simple to flush the ring in the capsule. So it's a straightforward, let's say, procedure. And then you can flush in the second stage, or you can do both in the same stage, by the way, the IOL in the ring, and the only you have just to click the optic part of the IOL in these two wings here. Here, I demonstrate how you can make the IOL exchange. It's easy to tilt and take it out the IOL from the ring. You pull the IOL in the anterior chamber. It's easy to remove the IOL. Everybody has this experience. And then, again, the ring is inside, and you can put your new IOL in the ring. So the company is based in Holland. We have been funded for 3 million for the first 4 years studies, and we are going to raise another 3 million for the CE mark and commercial launch preparation. We have 3 patents on that. We have very strong human resources with financial people, with clinicians, and also R&D people. And I think that the Summary of this technology is that FixoFlex addresses important issues in cataract surgery. Clinical trials demonstrated the safety and efficacy of FixoFlex. EyePCR has the human resources and the network to advance to the next step of business operations. EyePCR has validated and certified the infrastructure for small-scale manufacturing sufficient for the near future. First round of funding is completed, milestone achieved, fundraising for expanding post-CE mark clinical studies, and product is launched. IL exchange is on our future trials and pediatric protocols. I think FixoFlex will be the basis for additional future application for cataract surgery. Thank you.